Hi, I started writing a song, so I'm going to tell you what I have to. I'm going to show you what I have to. I'm going to sing a little bit of it, just a little bit, except for a little pow, like. I hate songs that tell you what I did today, like I went to the park cause I had to play, or something like that. Well, they're always lame. I hate songs that tell you how much I love her, or she loves me. I'm talking L-O-V-E. And you gotta throw in some random gibberish. Shoo-ba-dee-dee. I hate songs that tell you to fight the man. When it reaches in to feed you, bite the hand. And you don't need a better reason than because you can. When did songs lose their meaning? They use the same words it seems, and they put the words on repeat cause they know you'll buy. When did songs sound the same and you buy a whole album because of the name and the pretty boy cover with the spiky hair? I understand some hypocrisy there, but I won't repeat my words. It sounds absurd. But if you wanna get famous, that's how it's done. I won't repeat my words. It sounds absurd. And use the same 3 chords to be number one. My guitar's out of tune. Comedy.